Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video. Welcome to the VidShopr AI 2.0 demo video. VidShopr AI 2.0 is an advanced AI-powered platform that transforms your products into high-performing, shoppable video ads. Instead of just watching, your audience can interact, explore, and buy directly within the video, creating a seamless path from discovery to purchase. Let's have a short tour of VidShopr AI 2.0. On the dashboard you can see all the menu and options like left menus and dashboard contains overview of your account, including total video counts and analytics. Now from the left side menu, click on Create. This will take you to the Add New Video campaign. Here, you need to enter the video details. First, enter the video title. The video slug will automatically be generated based on your video title. Click on Check to confirm that the slug is available. Next, add your video. You can paste the video URL. VidShopr AI supports YouTube, Vimeo, MP4, WEBM, and HLS video formats. Paste your video link in the video URL field. The platform will automatically detect the video source. After adding the video, click on Add Video and Customize Player. For example, we choose the video of Ultimate Aesthetic PC Setup Tour, which gives your viewers the ideas to how to set up their PC with premium products. Now we are going to tell you how to set or add ads on the video. Integrating the product into the video content is the best strategy to capture viewer interest and drive engagement. For example, we are going to add an ad of Chrysler L-shaped standing desk similar to shown in video. To add a product advertisement, click on the Add Ad button, and your ad will be placed at the specified time. Now new product ad window will be open. Here you can add your desired ad in the video. Just add product name. Product image either upload from local or add by image URL. Short description of your product. By button you can add it with or without text. Button text, icon. Button link URL or product by URL. CPC or cost per click. Timings of the ad, like when the ad will be shown to the user. You can also choose hold duration, a permanent pause where user must click skip or buy. And skip action, where you can choose close or minimize the ad after viewers skip it. Style of your ad, you can also customize the ad after adding it. Colors of your ad, you can also customize the ad colors after adding it. Just click on Add Ad and it will be added. You can change positions of your generated by drag and drop method. Now click on the Customize button and a wide variety of editing options will open. Like width of ad card, rotation, animation of ad, card colors, like card background color, title color, button background and button color, skip button color. Now click on Other Customize button, which is for your ad highlighter. Repeat the process to customize the ad, like arrow buttons, hotspot shape, icon colors, rotation, arrow action, size, shape of connector line, color and animation. Once you are done, click on Done Positioning and your ad will be added on your video.
So I can easily plug in.
To add another ad on this video, you just need to find the time on which you want to add the product ad. Just click on the Add button again. This time we are going to add a product ad of Fractal Design North XL Chalk White Mesh similar to shown in video. All you need to do is repeat the process, and your ad will be added automatically. Similarly, we add another ad of Akko PBT keycap set, on Wonderland emoji keyboard similar to shown in video. Simply repeat the steps to add this ad too. You can also add branding to your video. Just click on Brand. Here you can watch page branding. Enable branding using the toggle button. You can choose whether to display or hide the logo. You can choose whether to display or hide the video title. You can choose whether to display or hide the footer. To upload your logo, click on Upload Logo. Enter your brand name. You can customize the appearance of the page. Change the page background color. Change the text color. Change the header background color. Change the border color. You can also change the font style. You can view all changes in the live preview section. After making the changes, click on Done. And your branding will be added on your video. Now you can preview your video. Your ads will show up at the time you selected.
This is from Branchmark for a little bit over a year now, and it's been on the right side we have
easily share your video on social accounts or copy a shareable link. And it will appear with your branding. If a viewer clicks your ad, they'll be taken directly to the product buying link. You can also copy the embed link and add your video to your website or pages. Click on Save and your video will be saved in Manage Campaigns section. Here you can manage your video. You can see your video analytics data here. You can also delete your video. You can also create a video campaign by a reel or short video. Here, you need to enter the video details. First, enter the video title. The video slug will automatically be generated based on your video title. Click on Check to confirm that the slug is available. Next, add your video. You can paste the video URL. After adding the video, click on Add Video and Customize Player. Here, we're using a short fashion-related video or reel. Just click on Add Ad Options. Just follow the same steps to add a product ad to your video. Here we added Heiress Beverly Hills Premium Lace Drape Corset Mini Dress in Black as a product ad to video. Simply repeat the steps from the previous section to add the product and highlighter. Once you repeat the complete process, your product ad will be successfully added to your video. Similarly, we add VOJ gold-plated black and white stone-studded jewelry set for women as a product ad. And repeat the whole process to add it on the video as product ad. You can also add branding to your video. Click on Save and your video will be saved in Manage Campaigns section. Here you can manage your video. You can preview your video. Customize your added campaign. You can see your video analytics data here. Easily share your video on social accounts or copy a shareable link. You can also copy the embed link and add your video to your website or pages. You can also create a video campaign by video uploaded from your local. Here, you need to enter the video details. First, enter the video title. The video slug will automatically be generated based on your video title. Click on Check to confirm that the slug is available. Next, add your video. You can paste the video URL or upload a video from your local. The platform will automatically detect the video type. After adding the video, click on Add Video and Customize Player. Here, we're using a lifestyle-related video. Simply choose the best place to add your product ad. As we add Rolex Datejust 41 watch as product ad. Just follow the product adding steps again. Just repeat the previous steps to add the product and highlighter. Similarly, we add Cartier Ecru de Cartier bracelet and Queer saddle as products ads. After repeating the process, the ads will be added to video. You can also add branding to your video. Click on Save and your video will be saved in Manage Campaigns section. Here you can manage your video. When viewer click on your ad, they will automatically redirected to your purchase link.
Verification completed.
Now click on Analytics from the left side menu. Here, you can track the performance of your videos and product ads. At the top, you can select the time range for the analytics data. Click on the drop-down menu. You can see the total views. You can see the number of unique viewers. You can see the total ad impressions. You can see the best performing day. You can see the peak hour. You can see the overall CTR. Below, you can see the top performing videos. You can also see the number of unique viewers and ad clicks for each video. you can export the analytics reports. Click on Export Ads to download product ad performance data. This is how you can analyze video performance using the analytics section in VidShopr AI. Thanks for watching the video.